Hello and welcome to today's video on how to get your son to talk to you with confidence. As parents, we all want to have a strong and open relationship with our children. We want them to feel comfortable enough to share their thoughts, feelings, and experiences with us. However, this is easier said than done, especially as our children grow older and start to navigate the challenges of adolescence. So, how can we create an environment where our sons feel confident and comfortable talking to us? Here are some tips that can help. Listen actively. It's important to give your son your undivided attention when he speaks to you. This means putting down your phone, turning off the TV, and truly engaging in the conversation. Ask follow-up questions and show that you're interested in what he has to say. Don't judge. It's essential to create a safe space where your son can express himself without fear of judgment. Avoid criticizing, lecturing, or belittling him. Instead, be open-minded and try to understand his perspective. Be supportive. When your son does open up to you, validate his feelings and provide emotional support. Let him know that you're there for him and that he can count on you. Respect boundaries. It's important to respect your son's privacy and personal space. Don't force him to talk if he's not ready, and don't pry into his personal life if he doesn't want to share. Lead by example. If you want your son to be open and honest with you, you need to model that behavior. Share your own experiences and feelings, and show vulnerability. Remember, building a strong and trusting relationship with your son takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if it doesn't happen overnight. Keep working at it, and eventually, he'll feel comfortable enough to talk to you about anything. Thanks for watching, and we are sure these tips will help you create a strong bond with your son. Please subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips and advice.